What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use AI to, for free, create this amazing high resolution pictures of 3D figures of your pictures. Okay, so from the picture you're gonna be able to create this style image. There is a lot of images like this into social media recently, and you can learn how to do this in a very simple way using Google Gemini. Okay, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to Google and type Nano Banana, or go to Gemini, click into the first result, scroll down, click on Let's Get Started, okay, just like here, just like this. Now select right here Image. You're gonna use this prompt right here. Pause the video so you can copy the prompt. You can take a screenshot and get the text out of the image, or just copy the text. You can translate to any language you wish. Okay, the prompt it's like universal. Okay, so if you write your native language, it's better for you. Then enter the prompt. Click into this plus button to upload a file or to upload an image. I'm gonna upload an image. Select the image that you would like to turn into the 3D figure, and click on Run. Let me do the same on Google Gemini. Okay, I'm gonna enter the text. Right here on Tools, I'm gonna select Create Image. I'm gonna click into the plus button, Upload Files, select the picture, wait while the upload happens, and click on Submit. Here's the one created from Nano Banana. Looks fancy. You can download it. Now let's review the one created by Google Gemini. I will not cut the video so you can see that the creation of the image happens really fast. And here is the result. I personally prefer the one that Google Gemini creates for me, but it's up to you and to your needs. And you can create an image like this from any picture of your gallery. The same happens and the same works if you are using the mobile app, okay? So you can do this for free and have fun. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!